Mr. Santosh Chandan and Miss Priya Behra. You both come. These both students are better than them, so I expect from them a good English and good translations in English. Are you both ready?
Yes.
Okay. Evening.
Very good evening
To you all.
to you all. Well, my name is Santosh Chandan, a student of class 8.
Hey, okay, nice.
A very good evening to you all. This is me, Priya Behra, a student of class 9.
Okay, that's good. So, are you ready to translate all my Odia sentences into English?
Yes, we are.
You both are ready?
Yes.
Okay. Mo kanduchi.
I am crying.
Mo kandeki.
Do I cry?
Mo koro khaichi.
Eaten.
What have I
Eaten.
Say soichi.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping. Say soi sarichi.
He have slept.
He have slept. No asili.
I came.
I not came. I
came.
तुमे गलो.
You went.
You went. तुमे जाउथिलो. You were going.
You were.
मु सेठा को जाइथिले.
I ଯାଇଥିଲି.
जाइथिले. मु सेठा को जाइथिले.
I had
I had
gone. I had
gone there.
I had gone.
Okay. मु भी तो सुनुची.
I am listening song.
Always used to after listen. I am listening to song.
I am listening to song.
Song. मोर मां मते कहानी कहउचंती.
My mother is telling me
a
a story.
Story. Not a गप कहउचंती. I didn't say गोटी गप. My mother is telling me story. Okay. मु तुमको देखेगी. मु तुमको देखेगी.
Do I say?
Do I see you? Do I see you? मु अपेक्षा करूची.
I am waiting.
I am
Waiting.
I'm waiting. तुम्हें सुंदर देखा जाऊ ना हो.
You are not looking beautiful.
You are not looking beautiful, and if you are talking about a boy, then you can say you are not looking handsome. Okay? मु मोर मां सहित सोउची.
I am sleeping with
quick.
my mother.
I'm sleeping with my mother.
I am sleeping with
my mother. मु तुमको देखु नथिले.
I was not
seeing you. I was not seeing you, or I was not looking at you. Okay? लोक माने बाहरे बुलुथिले.
People
Yeah. People
are
बुलुथिले.
people were wandering there.
Wandering. People were wandering outside. ते जाए.
He goes.
He goes. से सुने.
He listens.
He listens. से मते कुहे.
He tells me.
He tells me. से मो सहित माडो लागे.
He fights with me.
Okay, that's excellent. Let me ask you a few complicated sentences. मु ताको बाजार रे देखिली. या मु ताको बाजार रे देखिली.
I saw him in market.
In the market. I saw him in the market. Okay. मु मोर मां को सहाय्य कली.
I helped to my mother.
I helped my mother. मोर मां रागी गले.
My mother got angry.
My mother got
angry.
You are taking too much time, so try to translate quickly. मु ताको कहिली. I told him. से मते पिटु नथिला.
He was not beating me.
He was not beating me. मु किछि भी आनी नाही.
I brought nothing.
I brought
nothing
or I have not brought anything. Both the sentences are correct. Okay. से मते 200 टंका देला.
He gave me 200
not
rupees.
gave. Always you a. He gave me 200 rupees. Okay. शिक्षक माने छुआ मानकु पिटंते नाही.
Teachers
do not beat
to students.
Teachers do not beat to students. Okay. Now, if any one of you makes one mistake in translating, then that person will be out, another person will come here to compete with another. Okay. Mu kono kohuchi.
What am I telling?
What am I saying or what am I telling? Okay.